Good evening, Mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 8th class mathematics chapter number 11th chapter algebraic expressions. Today we will learn the exercise 11.3. Page number Telangana State Book, page number 261. First bit third and fourth problem and second bit 1 to 4 problems. Today we will learn it only. Are you understood of the previous class? Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, these two first bit third and fourth problem like the same as above two problems models only. Okay? Yeah, first let's see the problem in our textbook only. Third problem. KL plus LM and K minus L. This is the two binomials is give. To find is the product of the two binomials. You have to calculate it only. Let's see the solution for this problem. Yeah. This is the solution for this problem. Yeah, first two binomials is give KL plus LM and K minus L. To find is product of these two binomials. First step 1. Write the product of two binomials with multiplication symbol. KL plus LM into K minus L. This is the first step 1. Next step 2. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. Yeah, step 2. First multiply the first term of the first binomial by the second binomial, and multiply by the second term of the first binomial by the second binomial. What is the first term of the first binomial is K. K into KL plus LM minus second term of the first binomial, that is the L. So L into KL plus LM, since by using the distributive property. Next, again by using the distributive property. Here it is the K into KL. This is the monomial is multiplied by the monomial by each term of the polynomial.
Yeah.
So K into KL plus K into LM. Next, minus L, monomial is multiplied by the first term of the binomial, that is the KL only. L into KL minus monomial is the L into second term of the binomial, that is the L into LM. Next, here it is the K into KL. So K and K is the both are the bases is the same. We can add the exponents only. So K into K is K square L plus K into LM is KLM minus, here it is the LL is the both are the bases is same. We can add the exponents only. So L into L is L square into K, L square K minus, here it is also L into L. So L square M. Since by using the product law, a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. So next third step is combining the like terms. Here it is the any like terms there, Gagan Sai? Yeah, no like terms in this above expression, but there is a no like terms only. So therefore the final product equal K square L plus KLM minus L square K minus L square M. This is the final answer only. This problem solution is over. Next we will go to the fourth problem. Let's see the problem in your textbook. I will read the problem. M square minus n square and m plus n. Yeah, these two binomials is given. To find the product of two binomials. Let's see the solution for this problem. Yeah, first step 1. Write the product of two binomials with multiplication symbol. First, two binomials. What's the binomials? M square minus n square into m plus n. This is the first step. Next, step 2. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. In this problem, first term of the first binomial by the second binomial. Next, multiply by the second term of the first binomial by the second binomial and add the products. First term of the first binomial. What's the first term? M square. M square into m plus n minus second term of the first binomial, that is the n square. N square into m plus n, since by using the distributive property. Again, same property are using in this problem. M square into m plus m square into n. Next, minus of monomial. Here it is the both are the monomial and binomial only. So monomial is multiplied by the monomial by each term of the binomial only. So what's the monomial? N square. N square into the first term of the binomial, that is the m only. N square into m. Minus into plus is minus. Monomial into second term of the binomial. So n square into n. Next, m square into m. Here it is the both are the bases is the same. We can add the exponents only. So m square into m is m cube plus m square into n is m square n minus n square m into n square m minus n square into n. Here it is the both are the bases is same. We can add the exponents only. So n square into n is n cube, since by using the product law. What's the product law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So therefore the final product equal m cube minus n cube plus m square n minus n square m. Here it is the no combine the like terms only. So directly how to write it the final answer? This one only. Product of these two binomials, we will get this answer. What's the answer? M cube minus n cube plus m square n minus n square m. This is the final answer. This problem solution is over. Next, we will go to the second bit. First, I will read the problem in our textbook only. Find the product of the following. In this bit, 4 problems is given. Those all are 4 problems is the same models only. Here it is. First one, x plus y into 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. Here it is the one binomial, one is the trinomial. Product of these two terms. How much of we will get the product? First this is the these two binomial and trinomial is given. How to calculate the product only. All are the same only. So first problem, let's see the solution for this problem. This is the first problem stepwise. Today we will learn it only. Yeah, remaining problems without steps to learn it only. Yeah, first step 1. Write the products of the binomials and trinomials using the multiplicative symbol. First binomial, x plus y into 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. This is the first step 1. Next step 2. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. Yeah, first binomial, first term of the first binomial is multiplied by the polynomial. Next, second term of the first binomial by each term of the polynomial. So x into 2x minus 5y plus 3xy plus y into 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. Again using the distributive property. Here it is also. So monomial is multiplied by the polynomial. And next second two terms is also monomial is multiplied by the polynomial. So x into 2x minus x into minus 5y plus x into 3xy plus y into 2x plus into minus is minus y into 5y. Next plus into plus is plus. So y into 3xy. So next third step, combining the like terms, we will get the final product only. So x into 2x, so 2x square minus 5 into 5y into x, 5xy plus 3xy into x. So x is the both are the bases is the same, we can add the exponents only. So 3x square y plus 2x into y is 2xy minus 5y into y. So y is the base, y and y both are the bases is the same, we can add the exponents only. So 5y into y is 5y square plus y into 3xy is 3y square x, since by using the product law. Combine the like terms, we get the final product. Is there any like terms, Gagan Sai? Here it is the like terms there, minus 5xy plus 2xy. So minus 3xy. Next, here remaining all our terms is as it is, write it only. So therefore the final product equal to x square minus 5y square minus 3xy plus 3x square y plus 3y square x. This is the first problem solution with the steps wise. It's over. Next we will go to the second problem. Goes to the second problem. Let's see the problem in our textbook only. A minus 2b plus 3c into ab square minus a square b. These two polynomials is give. How to find out the product. Yeah, first let's see the solution for this problem. First step 1. Write the products of the binomial and trinomial using the multiplicative symbol. A minus 2b plus 3c into ab square minus a square b. This is the first step 1. It's over. Next, second step. Multiply the first term of the binomial by the trinomial and multiply by the second term of the binomial by the trinomial, and then add the products, since by using the distributive property. Step 2. Simply Also we have to write it. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. What is the first term of the first binomial? Is a ab square into each term of the polynomial. So a minus 2b plus 3c minus second term of the binomial, that is a square b, into each term of the polynomial a minus 2b plus 3c, since by using the distributive property. Here it is the two terms there. The monomial is multiplied by the polynomial. So again by using the distributive property. So monomial is ab square into each term of the polynomial. First term is ab square into a. Next minus ab square into 2b plus ab square into 3c. Next minus, here is the monomial is multiplied by the each term of the polynomial. So a square b into a, minus into minus is plus, a square b into 2b, minus into plus is minus, so a square b into 3c. Next ab square into a, here it is the basis is a and a, so both bases is the same, we can add the exponents only. So a into a is a square. Next b square as it is, write it. Next minus ab square into 2b. So 2b into b square is 2b cube into a, 2b cube a, plus ab square into 3c, 3ab square c, minus a square b into a. So a and a is the both are the bases is same, exponent should be added. So a square into a is a cube into b, a cube b, plus a square b into 2b, 2b square a square, minus a square b into 3c, 3a square bc. So since by using the product law. What's the product law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. Next step, combining the like terms, we get the final product. Yeah. Is there any like terms there above expression? Yes, a square b square. Here it is also plus 2a square b square. So combining these two like terms, we will get the 3a square b square. Remaining all other terms is the different terms only. So as it is, you write it only. So minus 2b cube a plus 3ab square c minus a cube b minus 3a square bc. This is the final product. So therefore the final product equal 3a square b square minus 2b cube a plus 3ab square c minus a cube b minus 3a square bc. This is the final answer. This is the second problem. Second problem solution is over. Are you understood? Next
Yes.
we will go to the third problem. Next third problem. First I will read the problem in your textbook only. Third problem. Mn minus KL plus Km into KL minus Lm. This is the problem. First I explain this problem. These two polynomials is give. How to find the product only. So first given that I have to write it in our given problem. So given is these two product, one binomial and trinomial. To find is the product of these two polynomials. You have to find out the product only. Get the solution for this problem. Step 1. Here this problem is like the same as above problem model. Here first step 1. Write the product of the binomials and trinomials using the multiplicative symbol. So KL minus LM into MN minus KL plus KM. This is the first step 1. Next step 2. Multiply by the each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. So first term of the polynomial, here it is the KL only. KL into each term of the polynomial. So MN minus KL plus KM minus second term of the binomial or binomial polynomial. So that is the second term is LM into each term of the polynomial. So MN minus KL plus KM, since by using the distributive property. And next, then again by using the distributive property in these two terms. What's the terms? Monomial is multiplied by the each term of the polynomial only. So monomial is KL into each term of the polynomial. First term is MN, KL into MN minus KL into KL, second term. Next, monomial is multiplied by the third term of the polynomial. So KL into KM minus monomial is LM, is multiplied by the first term of the polynomial MN only. LM into MN, minus into minus is plus. So LM into second term, that is the KL only. Next, minus into plus is minus. So LM into third term of the polynomial, that is the KM. So LM into KM, since by using the distributive property. And next, KL into MN is KLMN minus KL into KL. So here K is K and L and L, both are the bases is the same. We can add the exponents only. K square L square plus KL into KM. So K into K is K square. LM into LM, K square LM minus LM into MN. So LM square N plus LM into KL, L square MK minus LM into KM is LM square K. Combining the like terms, we get the final product. But there is this above expression, but there is no like terms there only. So this is the final answer. Therefore the final product equal, what's the final product? KLMN minus K square L square plus K square LM minus LM square N plus L square MK minus LM square K. This is the final product only. Yeah, this is the third problem solution is over, and next we will go to the fourth problem. Let's see the problem in our textbook. PQ plus QQ cube into 3p minus 5q plus 6r. Yeah, these two polynomials is given to find the product. Yeah, first let's see solution for this problem. First step 1. Write the product of binomials and trinomials using multiplicative symbols. So PQ plus QQ into P minus 5Q plus 6R. Next, second step. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second one, since by using the distributive property. So first term of the binomial is PQ. PQ is multiplied by the each term of the polynomial. So PQ into P 5Q plus 6R. Next, plus second term of the binomial, that is Q to the power of 3 only. So into polynomial P minus 5Q plus 6R. Then again by using the distributive property. Here it is the monomial is multiplied by the each term of the polynomial only. in these two terms. So PQ into P minus PQ into 5 cube plus PQ into third term, that is the 6R. So plus Q to the power of 3 into P, plus into minus is minus. So Q to the power of 3 into 5Q plus Q to the power of 3 into 6R. Next step. Here it is the P is the P cube into P. So P to the power of 4. Both bases is the same. So we can add the exponents only. Next, PQ into 5 cube. So 5 P to the power of 3 into Q plus 6 PQ into R. 6 PQR. Next, Q to the power of 3 into P. Q to the power of 3 minus Q to the power of 3 into 5Q. So 5 into Q to the power of 3 into Q is equal to the Q to the power of 4 only. Next, plus Q to the power of 3 into 6R. 6 Q to the power of 3 into R. Next, combining the like terms, we will get the final products. What's the like terms? Here it is in the above expression. It is the no like terms only. So, as it is, write it only. That is the final answer. So, therefore, the final answer equal to this one only. Q to the power of 4 minus 5 into Q to the power of 4 minus 5 into the power of 3Q plus 6 P cube R plus P Q to the power of 3 plus 6 Q to the power of cube R. This is the final product only.
Thank you, Vanessa.
So, this problem solution is over. Second bit, all problems and solutions is over. Since today's class is also it's over. Are you understood, Gagan?
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.